And now, your KY3 Storm Team forecast.
That humidity is hurtful out there today, let me tell you.
It really is, because we focus so much on temperature goes up, you know what you're getting, but it's really been the dew point going up that's created that muggy feeling, and it's never a good sign when first thing in the morning you step out to go to your car and you just can feel it.
It's like walking into a wall.
It is, like, or walking into a wet washcloth almost, because you just can't dry up when the humidity gets up that high. And as far as our temperatures go, we are going to keep climbing our way up toward 90 degrees this afternoon. And throughout the day, we'll be keeping an eye on the clouds for that potential for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. As far as how things look outside now, well, here's the view out in Springfield. We've really warmed up thanks to the break in the clouds, but even compared to an hour ago, we've been seeing more of those big fluffy clouds start to build in. One thing that you also notice, like we mentioned, we've been seeing a rise in our humidity and a rise in that dew point. Right now, dew point temperatures out by the Springfield airport, 70 degrees. And once we start to hit the 70s, that's when it feels muggy, and that's when we really see an uptick on our heat index. So right now, Springfield area feeling a little more like 93. Now, yesterday, we not only had those early morning showers to give us the rain-cooled air to start off the day, but we also saw some clouds keeping us pretty mild in the afternoon. As far as 24-hour temperature difference, well, most of us sitting about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday, and some of our far eastern counties not seeing much of a change because yesterday you didn't have the clouds and didn't have the showers. Overall, we're sitting in the upper 80s, but when you factor in all of that humidity, we're feeling more like some low to mid 90s. Down by the Joplin area, feeling more like 94 degrees. If you're traveling down to Rogers or Fort Smith, that's where already we're feeling closer to triple digits this afternoon. The next few days, we'll be keeping an eye on that chance for a few very isolated pop-up showers and thunderstorms, primarily today and tomorrow. Then drier air moves in just in time for the weekend, and that means that summertime heat is back in full force. Doppler radar over the last 6 hours, you can see not a whole lot happening for the Ozarks. There were a few thunderstorms that popped up down by the Chanute, Kansas area. Those, though, did not make its way over to Springfield, and a live scan on the radar showing a little bit of feedback by the radar, but otherwise, it's just a few clouds that are being picked up. Our high-resolution futurecast, it's showing that as we progress throughout the afternoon, that's when a few thunderstorms here or there will be showing up. And I think not only for today, but as we head into the day tomorrow, that'll be where it becomes harder to predict and exactly pinpoint where these thunderstorms will be coming through. But the consistency between the models is that later in the afternoon and even first thing tomorrow morning, that'll be the best chance to see a few of those develop. So I wouldn't cancel those outdoor plans for today, tomorrow, or even for the day on Friday, but just keep in the back of your mind that if you see a big cloud roll through, keep an eye on it, because there is that potential for a few strong thunderstorms with gusty winds to be impacting our area. High temperatures today warming up to right around 90 degrees, and overnight tonight, if you pay attention to the low temperatures, it gives us a good idea for where the dew point is. And with lows back down into the 70s, you can bet the muggy conditions are going to be sticking around. The closer we get to the weekend, I think we're going to get rid of that chance for some showers and thunderstorms, maybe keep around a very isolated potential for it. Otherwise, it's the heat and the humidity that we're going to be seeing in full force, even as we head closer to Father's Day.
The United States